I used to suffer from endometriosis, and I think it took a while for me to discover that. Because I used to have a lot of pains, and I think it was January this year that the flare up really happened badly. We started looking for the best endometriosis specialist, and that's when I came across Dr. Usha.
Patient of mine, she had grade 4 endometriosis and she was quite young patient. She wanted to conceive. And when I saw her MRI, the both side of tubes were quite dilated and all swollen up, filled with blood, and along with that, the urine carrying tube, which we call ureter, it was involved, and there was big cyst in both ovaries. So then we decided to go ahead with the robotic excision surgery, which we call fertility sparing surgery. So basically, I wanted to give her the best chance to conceive, to remove the disease as much as possible, and at the same time to preserve her fertility so that she can get pregnant later on.
And laid a roadmap ahead for me. A surgery was planned, and I went for a robotic surgery because I believe robotic surgery has very little repercussions. My cysts were removed, excision was done.
Very beautiful technique in robotic surgery. So we can keep the ureters in view, we can lateralize the ureter, we can safely move it away at the side from the site of ovary, and then we can remove as much as disease from.
So my life has been salvaged. I'm looking forward to a very positive future for a family life with my husband.